Hello students, today we will learn how to perform CRUD operation on MySQL database. So here we will create a database. Here we will create a database. Then we will be performing these operations. First of all, we will create a MySQL database. Then we will select it to use. Actually, see, when you sometime you if you are having multiple databases, then you have to use that particular database which is on which you want to perform operations. So second, you will be selecting that database. Third, you will be creating your table in the database. And then once you have created a table in the database, then you can perform various operations like insertion in the database, updation of data, displaying of records, and then you sometime if you need, you can delete data from the database as from the table as you need it. I mean the giving by condition or depending upon your requirement. So you can issue commands accordingly. So in this class, we will be learning about these things. So let us go ahead in the MySQL. So here I'll start with MySQL, opening of MySQL, database. First of all, I will have to give password to it. By default, password in MySQL are kept as root. So you can change it, you can give any other password, but normally it is a root. So I have given root. Once I have given root, I am at the prompt. And now when I am at the MySQL, I can create a table. So create a database. So first of all, I will give a command create database and I'll give database name. Say I will give a database name, say employee, and then you can press enter. Database employee, it is saying can't create database employee, database already exists. So here I'll have to go with something else. So I'll write employee, I'll write here some other database, say create database, and I'll write empdb. Employee DB, employee is already there, so I am writing is as empdb, and then press enter. Your database has been created. Now once your database has been created, you can see what all databases you have there. So you can give a command show database. So databases. So just press enter, you will get all the available databases. So there are so many databases, and your MySQL server actually will not be able to identify which one you should use if you do not specify. So we need to specify, we need to select a database. So I will use empdb. empdb is my database which I have selected for working, and then I'll press enter. So my database has been selected. Now once this database has been selected, now I need to create a table in it. So I'll have to issue a command. So I'll write here create table, and then table name you will have to give. I'll give it as emp tab, and then here you need to specify the fields. So I'll write emp number as integer, or you can write int only. Then emp name as you can put it as varchar, and then you can put as varchar 30, or you can use even varchar 2 is the latest one, so you can use varchar 2 as well. So varchar 30, and then you can give here say I'll give designation, say I'll give it design. So I'll use it as again varchar, and this varchar is again 30, and then I can give here, then I'll give here salary I will use as decimal. Now once I have done this, I will terminate it. So here varchar or varchar 2 both are applicable, whichever you want. So varchar 2 although is better, but I have used it right now varchar only, so you can use it. So just press enter here, and your database has been table has been created in the database. So now whether it has been created or not, you can see it, you can check it out. So how you will do that? Show tables. When you will write show tables and run it, and you will be seeing, you will be finding it there, and it is emp tab. Now after this, once this table has been created, your database has been created, now where we are, let us just check it out. We have done the creation of MySQL database, which has been created. As many as databases you want, it's up to you, but you will have to use them to work upon, to work, start your work. Then once I mean, first you will need to create your database with create database command, and then second thing comes out, you need to select that database. So I have selected that database uh, by use command. Use, you will have to use, and then you will have to that database will be that database will be made available for all table creation. Then third thing is coming out, how to create a MySQL table, that I have already done that here. So till that here we are done. Now next thing comes out, how to insert or record in MySQL database. Now MySQL database is emp db, and my table name is emp tab. So I'll go to emp tab and I'll create it. So what I'll write here, create insert, sorry, I have to perform insert into table name is emp tab. And here what you are going to insert here, you will have to specify values. In the values I'll specify, say here the employee number I'll give 111. It is integer type. Emp name I'll put as mark, and then it is designation I'll say manager, and then salary, say it is 90,000. This is my first record that will be inserted in the table. So I'll have to just enter here after having it terminated. Once I have done, then I'll be getting entered. So one row has been affected with this. So that means one record will be there. I'll do a little more here, please. 112, and then instead of Mark, I'll put it as Robert. I'll put as Robin. Then say he is officer. He's an officer. So here I'll put it as say 80,000, and then again I'll save it. This will, my second record has been inserted. One more I'll do 113, and here it is say Smith, and his he is say clerk, and then say his salary is 60,000, and save it again. So I have inserted three records. Now this means I am done with the this one, insertion has been done. Now after this, updation is coming up. So in the updation, let us go to updation, and here I'll update salary of Smith. Instead of 60,000, I'll make it 65,000. So what I'll write here, my update command will start update, then table name is emp tab, then you have to give set a command. Set what you want to set. I want to set field name is salary, and with what value, I'll give it as 65,000, and 65,000 for whom it is, you will have to give here where condition, you will have to give where emp number equal to 113. emp number is 113. So for Smith it will be changed. So I'll press enter here, and record has been changed, that has appeared there. Now I have done the this was the how to update MySQL table. Now after this I want to display records. So what all records do I have there? Then I'll display. So what I'll write here? I'll write here select. I'll write here select command. I'll issue select star from emp tab, and then I'll press enter. So I entered these three records, and here we can see the changed value of Smith, and as well as the records of Mark and Robin. Mark is a manager, and Robin is an officer, and Smith is a clerk. And these three records are available there. And if you want to change anything else, like if you want to update any say designation, instead of officer, you can make him manager as well. So again, you will issue the same command. You will give update emp tab, and here what you will give, you will have to give your field name, designation, and what you want to make this designation. I will make it as manager, and here we have got two managers now, manager, and then where emp number is, change that one, 112, 112. So it will get changed, and then see the record, and you will get two managers and one clerk is there. And so like this you can display. Now let us suppose the fourth one. Here we are coming down to how to delete a table data. So if you want to delete it, then again go back to your MySQL prompt, and there you can issue a command. Select star from table name is emp tab, and you will have to give condition where emp number equal to 113, 113, one, and terminated, and just issue this command. This record will be out from the table. So sorry, I think I have given, need not to give a star. Delete from emp tab where emp number equal to 113, and just press enter here, and this record has been deleted. And redisplay, you will get two records only. So this way you can perform various operations on your MySQL database table, and that's here. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.